I got a lot of questions about music. Where do I find my music from that I can use in my videos and vlogs on YouTube and monetize it? So today we will talk about that. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun episode. You're all probably aware that the music is a really important part in any video project. I like to say that music is almost 50% of whole video project. One half is like motion pictures, the video itself, and another half is music, sound effects, ambient effects, etc. So when it comes to music, my weapon of choice is Epidemic Sound. They're a really good website with a huge library of music and sound effects, and we will check it out in a moment. But now first let me show you one really cool example how and why the music is important for your videos. Recently I was in Philippines and I filmed a ton of stuff there, and now I will show you one drone footage. Drone is flying over the water surface in the sunrise towards a palm tree. It's really cool scenery, and we will see this footage first without any sound. As you can see guys, really nice beautiful landscape scenery, but it's missing something. We miss the music here. So let's see the same footage with some music in. You will agree that now it's much better. Video got to a completely other level than without any sound at all. But now we can add even more punch to the video. We can add some sound effects like sound of the waves, sound of the birds flying in the morning, and we will emphasize overall this morning feel, morning effect. So let's watch it with a few more sound effects. Beautiful. You see how and why the sound is important for a video. Of course, it would have completely different feel if we instead this music and sound effects add maybe helicopter sound, or even add some kind of a dramatic music. You see that overall feeling of this video changed completely. So all these effects, all these music that you just hear are from Epidemic Sound. So let me show you how their website looks and how easy you can find any music or sound effect for your project. This is how the front page of Epidemic Sound looks. We have here stuff picks, then we can go to browse albums, sound effects, latest, etc. Here I have my subscription active, so we can go to browse and browse by genres, moods, movements, places. We can choose the energy, tempo, length of the track. It's really cool. So maybe we want some kind of acoustic music, so we can choose in that genres whatever we need. Maybe we want a pop music, maybe we want a classical, whatever we want. For example, we want indie pop music, and here we have 1,500 different tracks. We can even narrow the selection by choosing a mood. Maybe we want dark mood, epic mood, maybe we want a happy mood. So happy mood, we have 331 tracks, so it's narrow the selection, and just we can play whatever track we want. And here we can see, let me just pause this. Here we can see the waveform of the track, how it looks. Also really cool thing here on Epidemic Sound is that you can download stems. By stems I mean you can download full mix, or you can download just the melody, or you can see just the melody, or you can download only instrument stem or bass or drums, whatever you want, and then later you can mix that however you want. Maybe you want to emphasize the drums, or to lower the bass, or just to play the drums in some part of music. It's really cool that you have the option to download just the stems. Also you can find similar tracks to the tracks that you are listening. That's cool. You can create your own playlist, you can download that. So when downloading you can choose download all stems, download full mix, or if you are just choosing one stem, for example drums, you can download just drums here. So that's really cool. Also, if you need any kind of sound effect, there is almost endless list of sound effects on the website. You just need to go to SFX panel here, choose any kind of category of sound effects, or you can go to search bar and search for whatever you need. For example, you have a video of some kind of fireplace, and you don't have a sound, or maybe your sound is corrupted or not so good. You can just go here and type fire, and as you can see, you will have like 865 different sound effects for the fire. You just need to click here and just go and search, choose any of that place it in your video and enjoy that effect. So that is why I use and love Epidemic Sound so much, because of huge library of good quality music and sound effects. Also the pricing is really good. It's only $15 per month, so it's not a deal breaker. And guys, also if you want to try 1 month for free, you can just go and follow the link down there in the description and you will get 1 month free trial of whole musics and sound effects on the website. So if you like it, you can continue subscription. If not, you can go and search for something else. But I really encourage you to try it. If you're a video guy, if you're a video maker, if you're a YouTuber, if you're vlogging a lot or doing whatever with your videos, you need to have good quality music and sound effects to implement your videos to get really nice final result. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope that you got some useful information from this video. And also if you have any questions regarding this video, please let me know down there in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer it. Also take advantage of this 1 month of free trial music and sound effects that Epidemic Sound will give to you. Just follow the link down there in the description. Have fun guys, and see you in my next fun video. Bye bye.